I assist people daily with the same method. So that can't be the reason. What's his mail?
The first one, the first one.
Good. So this is the reason why I was telling you we'll really not need the Gmail, the resume or a LinkedIn profile, because when you get an invite link, it directly gives you the option to just
So,
put up
so the person now that is inviting me, we have to get the money.
Pardon?
I said the person's link you used, we have to be paid.
No, you are paying for nothing.
No, like I mean, they will pay the person because I've always wanted
Yeah, they do. But I heard that of late they are really misbehaving. But I don't know. The person whom I use this link really says he hasn't been paid of late. So I don't know. Maybe perhaps I think they pay if the person you referred really got the job and is tasking. So you can fill in this section.
That's it. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw it. I'm trying to cancel. So you can enter the phone number.
Hold on.
Outlier is very strict of late because they only give 2 chances to do the verification. That's the first hurdle.
Okay.
Okay, we're done now. And now the next step, I really want him to be close, and you can read through the instructions. But the good thing, you said that you already have Outlier, so you understand how this process works, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the next thing is to decide, like just to brief you through that this must always be your only Outlier account, that you can't create another one. And there's always a way out on how, if your account really fails onboarding, or it becomes the project becomes ineligible, you can always delete your account, and then you can create another Gmail and open it. So that's always just a tip I'm giving you. So you can use you can ensure that you are in a well-lit location, because remember, we only have 2 attempts. If you fail all of them, and then that is it, you won't have an Outlier account.
Hold on, that's starting. So am I using my phone to verify this or what?
Pardon?
It's better I use my phone to
If you have
verify
your
it.
phone, well and good. You just scan and give him to scan his faith. is now to do a skill test, of which I don't know whether you can take it right now or we proceed to another platform to verify, so that later on, because now as you said, you can make use of your brother to ensure that we verify before he leaves, so we can try get to another platform.
Yeah,
then we'll come later on and do this one later at your own time. Because
but how long will they give?
But I prefer maybe we can do we can try do another account, then come back here, because it's some of the questions are video. Maybe it's just one question, a video question. Maybe I can show you an example.
But if you continue now, we have to do it.
No, we have no. It won't, because it will. I just wanted to ensure that I leave it at this point here, so that you know that the final step is to give an overview for educational, professional, general background. So the questions here are literally just basic. Maybe they're asking like how your typical weekend looks like, which is your favorite TV show, like such.
Is he going to speak, or he would?
Pardon?
Is he going to be the one to speak?
Exactly, he is to be there. Wow. Because it's his image that is on the documents. Okay.
Wow.
So
with all those things you changed in his CV, now he's going to know.
No, he can go through. He can just go through the CV. It's not something like right now. You can just WhatsApp him the CV. He can go through it and have the basic information. The questions are literally easy, and it's not because at the end of the day they'll still give him a project. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
They'll still give him a project, but it's good that he passes this, and it's not hard to pass, to be honest. I've had lots of people passing this. It's very easy, very easy. It's just a one-time.
Do you have like the questions they ask?
Yeah, it's very easy. Just it's very easy. You'll see it when time comes. Okay.
But you have like sample of the questions so that he would prepare for it.
I can share them. I can inquire from one of my guys who really did it recently. But one of the questions is like, how do your typical weekend look like? Okay, like such like question. But let me share the questions after we are done with the applications. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.